Now let us get started. So this is the brand new platform that I want to share with you today. It's a platform where people are selling their designs for hundreds of dollars. Mostly they're worth at around $100. But some are worth a lot more expensive, like this one which is worth $500. This one is $1,000, $800 and so on and so forth. People are definitely making quite a lot of money by selling their designs or logos on here. So in this video, I will show you payment proof of how I'm able to generate simple designs in way less than 1 minute by using an absolutely free online tool. So no previous experience, no photo design skills and no complicated software needed. And without investing any money at all, because it's all free. And I will show you exactly how it works in this video. So the platform where people are actually selling their designs and earning hundreds of dollars every single day in pure passive income is called BrandCrowd. I'll just link it in the video description below. Now, here's exactly how this works. Making money with this platform is as easy as 123. First, you need to apply in order to join. Second, just send your logos for review. And finally, you will get paid for every approved logo. So you'll just leave your design here. You don't have to sell it yourself, because BrandCrowd will do that for you. So you can actually earn passive income. In other words, BrandCrowd is providing you with a passive income option. The best part is it's all absolutely free. So all of these people just list their designs here for sale. They just upload these designs and set a price. Let's say, for example, this guy is selling his design for $500. And he will just leave it there, then BrandCrowd will promote the design for him along with all of these designs. On the other hand, business owners, entrepreneurs, for anyone that needs a logo or brand designs, will come over here, they will go through all of these designs, they will choose the best one, then they will buy it. The minimum you can sell your designs for is $100. Yet you can sell it for more than $100. But to get the most amount of sales and get sales the fastest way, I highly recommend you set the price for $100. And the best thing is you don't have to actively do anything, you just upload as many designs as you possibly can. And that way have higher chances of earning more passive income. So you can make money while you're sleeping, while you're out with friends, or while you're on vacation. Whatever you're doing, it's going to make you passive income each time someone purchases your designs from BrandCrowd. And as you can see here, these designs are literally worth hundreds of dollars, $500, $1,000, $800 and so on and so forth. Now before I show you proof on how you can actually sell and create these designs in less than 1 minute, and before I show you exactly how you can do it with payment proof, I want to show you how you can get started with selling these designs. So you will come over to BrandCrowd, which I've linked in the video description below. And that's going to take you over to this page where they will explain you in more details how BrandCrowd really works. You can also see here their frequently asked questions that will give you more details on how the selling process actually works. Once you're done reading this, you can just click on Join Now so you can sign up for absolutely free. Once you sign up, you need to proceed to the platform that will create those logos for you for absolutely free. And that platform is called Canva.com. Canva is going to help us make hundreds of dollars with BrandCrowd.com. Now once you come over to Canva.com, you need to sign up by clicking the sign up button right here and on top. And bear in mind that they do have some pricing plans, but you don't have to pay for anything. You can just use their free account. And you will still be able to make money with this strategy because it's going to allow you to generate logos for absolutely free. Signing up process should take no longer than 60 seconds. And once you've signed up, I want you to click on logo right here. And that's going to take you to this page where you have lots of these different logo templates, which you can use. As you can see, most of these designs look really similar as the ones selling on BrandCrowd.com. If you compare these designs, which are selling for hundreds of dollars on BrandCrowd with the designs on Canva, I must say that these look a lot better in my opinion. Now the question is how to actually create these logo designs? Well, it's as simple as this. First, you need to find a perfect template that you personally like. Let's say, for instance, I want to use this one. So all I have to do is click on it. The best part is it's fully customizable. Now I can change literally everything, I can customize everything, and I can play around with different designs. And that's what I recommend you do, because that's how you will learn the best. So let's say, for example, that my brand name is the Make Money Now. Next, I can change this icon. I can even change the colors. If I want, I can literally change anything. If I want to add more elements, then here on the left-hand side, I can do so. I can select all of these different elements, and I can customize them. I can change colors, I can change shapes, sizes, and so on and so forth. That's really simple and easy. But if I, for example, want to add this one, I will just click on it, and then it's going to load it here on the page. And I can also customize the colors. I can change them right here. Now you know how this works and how simple it is to create designs with Canva. But real quick, if you guys are enjoying this video in which I've put a lot of time and energy to actually do, I would really appreciate it if you guys tap the like button and make sure you subscribe with notifications. And if we get 2,000 likes on this video, I will drop a brand new video next week to show you guys exactly how to make even more money online doing basic stuff like this in the comfort of your home. Now, as I promised, I'm going to show you the bonus, which is a real-life example of how you can actually earn $100 in less than 1 minute of work. I'm going to show you how to do it. And we will be using this design as an example. It's a pretty simple one. That's a dog icon and says logo text here and slogan here. But when someone clicks the Buy Now button right here, this person will make $100. So I will show you how you can actually do the same. Now we will start the counter so I can show you exactly how much it's going to take you to create this design and potentially sell it for $100. And you can basically do it over and over again. So let the counter starts right now. So here in the left-hand side, I will just search dog and I will select this template because it looks really similar to that design. I will change this to logo text here. I will not change its color anymore because it's already color brown. And I will also change this to slogan here. I will increase its font size. And I will change the background to color beige to be consistent with the overall theme. And I can also make this smaller if I want to, but it looks really nice as is. And now I can just download it to my computer by clicking on download right here on top and download. That's it. That's literally way less than 1 minute. And now I can potentially sell this for $100. As you can see, this one is selling for $100. So you just saw real proof of me making this type of design in way less than 1 minute. And that just gives the perspective of how powerful this is. You can create as many designs as you possibly can, list them for sale and collect passive income. And that wraps it up. That is exactly how you earn $100 every minute. And now if you want to earn even more money, check the first link in the video description below too.